Shivam, good morning. We are going to Bartang. Huh? Oh, it's early morning. It's 4 o'clock and he woke up. This is Jirgatan area, and from here we'll take the convoy for Bartang. We have reached here at around 5 o'clock, and you can see there are so many vehicles waiting for the convoy. Many people, they start to 2:30. This is a small souvenir shop in Jirgatan. This is our vehicle, and these vehicles are behind us. Is after the hen. Oh no, it got scared. Shivam, the hen got scared of you. Ah! Now we are waiting for the escort, and the convoy will leave for Bartang. So long line, yeah. And the government bus, they are in the separate row, and the private vehicles, they are in the separate row. And from this checkpoint onwards, we are not allowed to take any video or do any photography. So I won't be able to show you any more videos till we reach the point from where we are allowed to make videos. This is Middle Strait area, and we are going to board ship for Jahaj for Bartang. At 6 o'clock we started from the check post, and we reached at 8 o'clock. So it took 2 hours, and the vehicles, they have to maintain the speed limit of 40 kilometers per hour. From the checkpoint till Middle Strait, photography, videography, these are not allowed. At every 7 to 8 kilometers distance, you will find the notice board where do's and don'ts are written. So you cannot take any photograph or do any videography of the tribal people who are living in this reserve forest area. And you are also not allowed to give any kind of cloth or food or any item to the tribal people. I saw one small kid, he was with his family, I think, wearing a brown colored dress. It was very cute. We'll board another ship, and then we'll go to the cave. Now we have reached Bartang, and from here we'll board a boat. The boat capacity is 10 persons. So we'll board a boat and then from there we'll go to Limestone Cave. This is Nilambar Jetty. From here we'll board a boat, and then we'll go to the Limestone Cave. The boat will drop us down near Mangrove Creek, and then we'll have to walk through mangrove forest, and then we'll reach Limestone Cave. From this permit counter, you have to get permission for Limestone Cave. Ticket cost 900 rupees each person. Children below 2.5 years old, they don't need to pay. But above 2.5 years old, you have to get ticket for kids also. Shivam, where is your ticket? Without ticket, you can't go. Where is your ticket? Where are you going? Limestone cave. What is limestone cave?
इसकी बारी आपको लाइमस्टोन केव आएगा, ठीक है। केव के अंदर हम लेके जाएंगे, वहाँ पर सब कुछ हम ब्रीफिंग करेंगे। तो 10 मेंबर सभी का ग्रुप के साथ में रहना है, और कुछ भी खाने का सामान है तो बोट पे रख दीजिए, ठीक है। क्योंकि रिजर्व फॉरेस्ट एरिया है, यहाँ पर कुछ खाने का अलाउ नहीं रहता है। हाँ, खाली इंपॉर्टेंट सामान कैरी करिए, मेडिसिन है तो मेडिसिन कैरी कर लीजिए, ठीक है। वाटर बॉटल भी कैरी।
We are walking through mangroves to reach limestone cave. Not mango, mangrove. Mangrove tree. We have to walk around 1.2 kilometers to reach limestone cave. लेंथ कितना है केव का? 10 किलोमीटर होगा। 20 से 30 किलोमीटर। शिवम, one photo only. We are going to enter the cave now. It's quite crowded. These are stalactites coming from the top. This is the limestone cave. Here you can see stalactites and stalagmites. Stalactites are the stones which are formed from the top to bottom, and the stalagmites are formed from the bottom to up. Basically, limestone is calcium carbonate, CaCO3. Over a long period of time, these limestone caves are formed.
जो कैसे जो शाइनिंग पार्ट आता है, इसके ऊपर पे जो सिल्का और माइका हो चुका है मैम, कैल्शियम कार्ड ऊपर पे जो सिल्का और माइका हो चुका है, इसकी वजह से आपको शाइनिंग पार्ट पे नजर आएगा, आपको जगह जगह भी नजर आएगा जो शाइनिंग पार्ट होता है, ठीक है मैम। और यहाँ पर देखिए जो टच करते हैं ना, इस तरह जो ब्लैक हो जाता है, तो इससे हाथ के बहुत से पसीने और बैक्टीरिया होता है, तो हाथ पे टच करते इस तरह जो ब्लैक हो जाता है, उसके बाद यहाँ से जो ग्रोथ करना जो प्रोसेस जो बंद हो जाता है। तो यहाँ पर देखिए नेचुरली बहुत से स्ट्रक्चर बना हुआ है। यहाँ पर देखिए जिससे जो मंदिर पे आप शंख वगैरह देखे होते हैं ना, नेचुरली यहाँ पर भी देखिए जो शंख के स्ट्रक्चर पे भी नजर आए।
This is the dead end, and tourists are not allowed to go beyond this point. Someone told me that within 100 meters distance there is another cave, limestone cave, but the road is not yet formed. So within short time it will be open to the public.
फैमिली से मैं
Eight families.
बस लोकल फैमिली है सर जो कैब में काम करते हैं यहाँ पर टोटल 200 स्केप 200 स्केप में बस एक कैब का अलाउ कंसिडरेशन बाकी के जो रिसर्च करते हैं आप
अच्छा
सर लेडीज से नींबू स्टॉल रखे हैं सारे
कुकरुकू चला गया बाबा सिंघम आता माझी सटकली On the way to Baratang, photography, videography, these are not allowed, so I couldn't record anything. But I could see some mobile network towers which are being installed. The driver told that these are Geo towers. So very soon this place will be having very good network connection. Jarwa tribes, they have to remain inside their protected area, reserve forest area. And I saw one guard. I was told that he is tribal welfare department staff. And these people, the guards from tribal welfare department, they remain with the tribal people whenever they need any assistance. Whenever these tribal people, they need medical assistance, they get it from medical department, health and family welfare department. And every day ayahs from medical department go to these tribal people to check their health. During a particular time, they go, they visit all the people, all the Jarwa tribe people, and they check their health and other conditions. So it's a different kind of life here. Shivam, your friend. Shivam is a brave boy. We are walking through mangrove trees. There is a little cute bridge. From Jirkatang checkpoint till Baratang, the distance is 48 kilometers. It took nearly 1.5 hours to reach Baratang and similar time to reach to this point, this checkpoint again. And from Port Blair till Baratang, the distance is approximately 90 kilometers. And there is a point called Middle Strait. Middle Strait, from there we took boat, and from Middle Strait to Baratang by boat we went, and from there we took another boat, and then we saw limestone cave. Now we are going back. We'll see Wandur. There is one marine national park. आंटी समोसा कितना करके है? 15 रुपये बस। एक दीजिए। आएगी कि ले? हाँ? एक ही जाएगी। हाँ एक ही। आपका घर इधर में ही है, पास में। हाँ। This road from Port Blair to Diglipur, it is NH4, and it goes through Jarwa Tribal Reserve Forest area. Road. I spoke to one staff of this park, and he said within 2 o'clock this park gets closed. The beach is open till 5 o'clock, but the museum and the park, Marine National Park, is closed. I don't know, I've come so far. It's closed. So disappointing. King 20 rupees. क्या क्या है अंदर?
पानी है।
पानी। अरे ये नेशनल पार्क जो है ये इतने जल्दी बंद हो जाता है 2 बजे। जो पार्क है
हाँ हाँ
2 बजे बंद हो जाता है।
पता नहीं वो साइड का खबर मेरे को नहीं मालूम।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा। इधर में सनसेट कितने बजे होता है?
5 बजे।
5 बजे।
अच्छा दिखाई देता है यहाँ से।
अच्छा अच्छा। We have 2 hours here in Wandur beach. Don't know what to do. We're just roaming here and there to spend the time till sunset. This is the view you get to see from the watchtower. This place is so quiet. I can hear only the sound of crickets and the waves, nothing else. Shiva! The sun has gone behind the clouds and we are unable to witness sunset. There are some tourists here to see the sunset. The sun has gone behind the clouds. Now let's go, Shivam.